Fred Williams XL Prime counts all cells without errors. We're just going to look at a couple of different examples here. Looking at ISERR, you can see what we're doing is just testing this real quick. In terms of what is an error, whatever's true is going to be an error. ISERR is sort of a legacy. Excel really doesn't support it. They encourage you to use ISERR. Here, ISERR, all we're doing is saying ISERR and then whatever row or cell you want to recognize, and then whatever output you want if it is an error. In terms of counting, we just use SUMPRODUCT, and we're going to throw a double negative here. A not with a negative is a positive. If it's not an error, count it. B5 to B13. There's two observations. Over here is your summary. Here is your anatomy. Just a quick review. If you weren't aware of his error, now you might be. If you want to avoid the NA error, you can use ISERR as opposed to ISERR. Essentially, it won't recognize the NA as an error. Fred Williams, XL Prime.